Apartment Door Station DHI-VTO6521K. Dahua's apartment door station features a 316 stainless steel panel that offers high protection and is both IP65 and IK08 rated. This allows it to function in many different scenarios and environments from -30 to +60 degrees Celsius with anti-tamper alarm capabilities. The unit comprises a 2 megapixel CMOS sensor with an infrared for low light environments and auto illumination. Its 4.3-inch wide viewing angle LCD screen ensures optimal usage with its users and also features a keypad with strong Braille metal buttons. You can unlock doors with the intercom app or via the Mifare card reader, which can take a capacity of 10,000 cards. You can also store uniform or personal passwords for entry. There are easy installation options for flush mounting or incorporating the unit into a Surface box. For more information, please contact your local Dahua authorised partner or contact us directly at sales.uk@dahuatech.com.